Hello friends, in this video we are going to find the derivative of the following equation. First of all, we are going to use the following formulas. We are going to use the formula of, for example, I have an equation y is equals to ax to the power n. When I find the derivative of this equation, I will obtain n times a x n minus 1. So this is when you calculate the derivative of an equation of this form. Also, we are going to use another formula for equation of the form f of x plus a. To do that, I will obtain the derivative of this one will be equal to n times the function plus a to the power n minus 1 times the derivative of that function inside. These two formulas are very important to answer these problems. Okay, so for a, I have 4x squared plus ax to the power 3. Okay, let us say y is equals to, so my dy by my dx will be equal to 2 times 4 times x to the power 2 minus 1 plus 3 times 8 times x to the power 3 minus 1. So I will obtain 8x plus 24x to the power 2. This one is for a. Let us proceed with equation b. For b, I have negative 3x to the power 4 plus 2x to the power 1.5. This y is equal to this equation. So my dy by my dx will be equal to 4 times negative 3 times x to the power 4 minus 1 plus 1.5 times 2 times x to the power 1.5 minus 1. So this will give me negative 12x to the power 3 plus 3x to the power 0.5. Okay. For equation C, I have a fraction 9 divided by x squared, so I have my y is equal to 9 divided by x squared plus 14 divided by x. This equation can also be written in the form 9 times x to the power negative 2 plus 14 times x to the power negative 1. So dy by dx will be equal to negative 2 times 9 times x to the power negative 2 minus 1 plus negative 1 times 14 times x to the power negative 1 minus 1. So I will obtain negative 18 x to the power negative 3 plus minus 14 times x to the power negative 2 times to the power negative 2. So now I can write this equation in the form negative 18 divided by x to the power 3 minus 14 divided by x to the power 2. Okay, now we have equation D, and for equation D we have 3 plus 2x divided by 4. So y is equal to that. First of all, I can factor out my 4 outside, so I will have 3 plus 2x. Okay, now when I found the derivative, so dy by dx will be equals to 1 on 4 times the derivative of this equation with respect to x. So this implies we have 1 on 4 times, when the derivative of a constant is 0 plus 2. So I will obtain half. Okay, now I have e. For e, I have 2 plus 3x squared. So it will be equal to 2 times 2 plus 3x to the power 2 minus 1 times the derivative of this function times 3. And this will give me 6 times 2 plus 3x. And this will give me 12 plus 18x. This is the end of this video. Thank you for watching me. I hope you learned something new today. And if you have any preoccupations or problem, please write it on the comment section. I will be pleased to answer all your questions.